Well, hello ladies and gentlemen. Today on the Unimat SL1000 I have a very small sample of 1141, and I'm going to put the 20 degree tool against it. I came in here and put just a small relief where I'm going to make my cuts and stuff, just so I'm working real close to the chuck here, so I don't have much of a pass I can do, but just going to show you the machinability of 1141. This is the 10 degree rounded tool, 685 RPMs. Alright, let's get into a cut here. 1, 2, let's go 3 hash marks here. And we'll add 1141 to the list of materials that can be machined on a Unimat. Thanks for watching.